It's going.
This is a demonstration of the truss roof floor joist storage system. It's in its very basic elementary design stage, but it's certainly efficient and it's been working well for me. I'm going to lower the unit. Obviously you could have a winch here to lower this, but basically it comes down just like this. And I call this my golf storage unit. Maybe if we panned around the front of this, we could see what's in here. At the moment, it holds 2 sets of golf clubs, a pair of golf shoes, 2 travel golf bags, a couple of shag bags full of balls, as well as a cart. Depending on how you design the shelves, you could certainly get more materials or more things in this unit. Maybe we need a little oil on the pulleys. Okay. These are just 2 additional examples of shelving. This one is the first one I designed. It's holding approximately 12 to 14 pairs of downhill skis, weighs about 200 pounds. We have an elaborate latching system here, but it's probably an overkill. Here is a relatively simple shelf with no vertical shelves. We're holding about 150 pounds of indoor-outdoor carpeting that we use periodically, along with a unicycle and a plastic bag up there that I have no idea what it has. Basically, these are elementary shelves, but with some thinking, we could design them to fit a great variety of, or to store a great variety of items, rakes, power cords, shovels, certainly the skis, Christmas items, anything else you'd like to store. Thank you. And at the middle, I was using ropes to operate the pulleys and to raise the shelves, and this shelf in particular weighs about very nearly 200 pounds. I thought the rope might either deteriorate, or with the animals in this garage in particular, we've had possums, raccoons, an occasional skunk, along with the cat living here full time, and certainly a batch of field mice. I thought perhaps the rope might be at risk. And I felt that we needed some kind of safety device which would, in effect, test the rope before you totally let the shelf down. But it's now been about 6 years, and I'm pretty comfortable that the ropes are not a problem. I can talk a little bit about this shelf because it's used for more frequently used items. It's easy to raise and lower. It doesn't have a particularly heavy load on it, so it's easy to pull up and down with the pulleys. It could be that for frequently used items you'd want to have some type of an electric motor, and I have one here, but I'm finding that this little motor, while it's geared down significantly, can't come close to lifting a loaded shelf. There are some design parameters, some advantages to hinging the shelf at its at the deep end, or hinging the shelf at the shallow end, depending a little bit on what you intend to store. Raising the shelf is quite easy to do. Obviously, you could have a winch, or you could have a little electric motor up there, again, as I mentioned previously, so that this would go up automatically, and you just push a button here to raise it or lower it. But for my purposes at this point, this has worked very well. I don't think it would work for everybody this way. The shelves are now in their upper position and totally out of the way, but always accessible. That third to fourth one is up there behind, above where the garage door is. This then has been a brief introduction to the truss roof floor joist storage system. Obviously, the manufacturing engineering as well as the marketing design would be critical to the success of this product, but I don't think these are insurmountable problems. This product has a obvious appeal to me. I'm using it very efficiently. I would hope that the benefits that I see in it would also appeal to you, and perhaps you would find that this could be an item that could be profitable. Thanks for your time.